Cops already pulled up right over there. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You guys could kind of see me because it's kind of dark. Let me see. That is not gonna help. I just got off work. Literally just got off work. I changed at work as well. We're gonna go meet up with a couple friends because tonight we're going to meet called Midnight Runs or Midnight Meet. It's held in LA. It is about 8 right now. I just got off like I just said. So we're gonna go meet up with my friends, and then from there we're gonna have to head over there. It's about an hour 40-minute drive. So this intro is gonna be really quick because I'm trying to dip already. So I'll see you guys when we get to the gas station because I have to fill up. Alright, we made it to the gas station. Pumped gas real quick. We already met up. What's up? What's up? What's up? Little vlog? Saw the last video or no? Yeah. Fucking liar.
I did see it.
This is track car. This is clean. Hold on, let me give you guys better. Nice. This is cocky right there. Alright, so this is a squad, I guess. Cobra, track car, RS3, M340i. Talking lineup. Just gotta work, so I'm gonna take this shit because you know I'm low-key tired. Hopefully this is good. I haven't tried this flavor. Something new. Also brought Octane Booster. I don't know if this shit does anything. I tried it last time when I went to OC. It felt different. It's not crazy, but fuck it, I bought more just to put out there in LA because I just know that all this shit's gonna get ran through is fucking on the freeway. I wish I had a 360 cam just to show you guys like the outside view over there. Can't see me again, but we're headed over there now. I'll try to get some like rolling footage if I can, but I'll see you guys over there. All right, so we made it to a spot already. It is about like 10:33. We're supposed to depart from here like at 11. I'm gonna try to set up my GoPro on my window just so see if I could get any runs. I wish I had a 360 cam. Set up 340 here, RS3, and we're lined up with like a homies I guess. And Pog. Oh damn, this shit's cocky. Carbon fiber. More, I think I'm gonna walk around and show you guys what's around here. I see a couple nice cars already. There's another yellow car, another one. I love yellow cars like down MR2 over there. But yeah, let me go walk around and see what we find. Car lined up. I think these are people that host it. BMWs, so clean. We're supposed to scan the QR code. I don't know where we'll find it, but I'm just gonna come see these right here. Ooh, little brake light. M2. There's a bunch of like M's here. More over here. I think more people are still coming. We barely got here as well. I want to say all that side over there is filled up. People are filling this side up. I'm gonna look for the QR code right now just to scan it. Still more lined up. Cops already pulled up right over there. And that shit don't focus, bro, but cops already over there. This is crazy. Oh, is this a 06? Is this a 06? Yeah. Shit clean, the little carbon fiber. Oh, this is hard. Oh, this is 01. My bad. Not 06. That shit is hard. I don't know my BMWs. I'm just gonna say this is another one. Another Beamer. Another one. There's so many. Also, there's a 06. I'm gonna go look at that over here. I'm saying this is a 06 over here that they're saying. Oh, it's a C6. Ah, this is clean. C6 06. Carbon fiber spoiler too. This is hot. Hellcat. That is sick. Dude, I don't know if you hear that Camda's Camaro right over there. I'm gonna go see that real quick. Alright, this shit's sick. Another one, M3. But this shit looks nice. So look at fucking, take a look over here at this Camaro. Oh, where the fuck you go? Oh. That shit chopping louder, bro. Oh, this is 06. Damn. It's clean. Yellow is like the best color you could get on any car you want, to be honest. There's more cars over here, so take a look on this side. I think there's more like tuners behind me. The Beamer lineup. Beamer lineup right over here. That one's sick. That's that Camdas Camaro right over there. M4. Beamer. Yeah. Shit loud as fuck. Cool Mercedes right here. That's so hard to see, bro. It's hard to see this shit. Oh, this one's clean. 1.4. Oh, this shit lower. It's so nice. Yeah. This is clean as fuck. Wet. Hella heads right over there. That's crazy. Hella heads. Damn, this shit never focuses. T6. Can't even see the engine. This shit is dark on camera. Crazy. Quiet on it. Fast guy. Scary. I already showed you guys a 01. This is cocky. That's fuck. Look at the back. I haven't seen an ass on this. Carbon fiber. This shit bagged? What the? Can't even see on camera, but thick ass tires. Now I was just recording. I was just calling each BMW a BMW.
This one's nice, though.
Which one? Oh, this is over? Nice, nice. Yeah, I don't know. I have to look at the front grille. So I know. Do you know your Beamers?
That's a 330.
No, I think it's a 440. No, I looked at the back of it already. I think.
Because it doesn't got. It's not as wide as the M. So it's either.
Here, let me check.
335 or 340. What happens if it's deep?
340. No, it's 340. Yeah, you got it. I said 440. I saw someone that said 440 over here. I don't know which one it was.
And I thought we can play fucking Beamer Bingo.
Bingo, bro. I don't know anything, bro. Like, what is it? M8? Okay. You see, bro. Yeah.
That's what you need, dog. A little.
I need this, bro.
DSS.
It's crazy. I'm fucking, I have this belt. Fuck, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. Green belt? I don't know. I have that belt, though. My shit's all raggedy, though. Oh, here's a ZR1, I mean. Not the Z06, this is a ZR1.
You know your bets or what?
Yeah, no, I know my bets. I saw the front, I was like, I called it a Z06 at first.
Did you see the fastest logo right now?
Where?
Right here on the hood.
Nah, I didn't even see this. Look, it said Rhino. Oh, that's his Instagram tag. Rhino_01. No, I just saw the splitter, the splitter, and I was like, that's a ZR1. There's a Z06 over there, the red one. Oh, this one's fucking, I guess, fast, quiet.
That one's turboed right there, the GS300.
Which one?
That one.
So I didn't even see this. Is this a Shelby? Yeah, because it's wider. No, oh, it's right there. Damn. These are cocky. It's because how wide they are in the back.
My cousin had a GS430. Well,
Ooh. GS300, there you go. Now I know what car this is. Oh, it's crazy. These are cocky when I see stuff like this. There's one in the valley that has a RX-7 that has it all like this. Basically, it's cocky. I barely noticed that what's it called? The GS300. It had a fucking fake cover on top. I just saw that. I was looking at it and I was like, bro, this shit looks fucking weird. And I see the motor. I'm like, oh, those are the ones that come with 1J, you know, or the.
It's a 2J, but naturally aspirated.
Oh, shit, it's a Z01. Oh, it's too dark for this camera. Nice, these are cocky. I love these.
Like, is that a 2-valve?
Is it 2-valve? No, this is a 2-valve. The hood? Alright, no pop it. It's just a 2-valve though.
It's just a 2-valve, right? It's 2-valve.
Yeah, it's up bad. Naturally aspirated. There you go. Finger it. Finger it. Oh.
I'm trying. Dude, remember? Oh, it's a hair dryer.
That's a hair dryer.
The Dyson hair dryer?
Yeah.
With the diffusers for the hair?
Yeah.
How do you like your hair dryer?
I like it. It makes a lot of noise when I go.
When you gas it?
Yeah, when I gas it.
Sounds like a vacuum leak.
Like 3K. Yeah, I have a vacuum leak, I think.
Oh, okay. I think you should warranty your Dyson hair dryer.
No, I think so. I think I need to send it back to the factory and get a bigger one.
What's that?
This?
Yeah. What's
it's you know how like when you're sucking up a lot of like dust and all that. It is a dust cleaner thing. So like I have to empty it out every so often and.
So it's your vacuum.
Yeah,
it's vacuum dusty.
Yeah, cause it's a Dyson, so you know, like you know how all the dust. It goes to these right here, these two right here.
Alright.
Yeah, nothing much to it, you know.
I like your hair dryer.
Thank you. Where do you think I should set up the GoPro? I'm scared to put it outside because I'm scared like it's gonna fly off. So
put it right here so they know you mean business.
I get gapped.
Oh fuck.
Nah.
They're like, fool, what were you recording?
Nah, I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna put it aiming.
You know what you should have?
I'm gonna aim it forward, so like.
You should get a fucking mic for his engine bay.
I want to get one like a road mic or something, and then like
put it right here, and then just hear all the hair dryer noises.
Yeah.
Pop the hood on this beast.
Pop the hood. I want to see yours. It's so dark, you can't see it. Hold up. We can't see shit. You know, that's the crazy part. I feel like if I were to race one of these, I would not know what I'm looking for.
I got Jesus sandal on it.
Thanks.
The Jesus sandal on the engine? That's crazy. Yeah, I wouldn't know what to look for in one of these. Like, if I'm racing.
Honestly,
I'm gonna look at the engine cover.
You gotta pop this shit off.
I'm gonna look at the engine cover and be like, that's crazy. So your stock? You know, that's what I would have said. Where's your turbos? Your upgraded turbos.
Oh, I see. That's a nice hair dryer.
I see that. Upgraded turbos. Okay, I see you. What are you, 68 millimeters? The hair dryer, I mean, 68 millimeter hair dryer. I'm gonna set up the camera. Here's a GoPro stick right here. It's been on there for a minute, so I'm gonna see where I could put it. I might just put it in here with the windows down. I mean, outside, so I don't know. I'll see right now.
You're gonna have the window down.
No, yeah.
And with the little fuzzy right here. It's gonna be
always with the window down.
I know. I'm always running with the window down, bro.
You don't have AC or what?
I do, but it fucks.
It takes my power, bro.
It does. Bro, it's belt driven. It takes the boost away, bro. It takes the boost. Oh, there's cops.
Damn.
All right, so GoPro all set up right here.
Al salchichon.
Salchichon. We're ready. Hopefully I could get something. I'll look where we're supposed to be going right now. Hopefully my car is running perfect. I don't even know where we're going. I'm gonna look up the address and then probably just open up the camera again when we're at the next spot. Hey, I'm getting blinded by the truck behind me, bro. You can't see, but over has a whole ass stick over there. I don't even have that though. I was supposed to order it. I never ordered it. How much is that? Like 20? Yeah, that's a lot. No, I'm just kidding. We're waiting for all these cars to pass by. Car's feeling good right now, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, chat. My first gear going crazy. This is a POV you're gonna get on me talking because I can't record with the camera, obviously. Hopefully I could get some people on the left side. Do a little count, go like 1, 2, 3, you know. entering the freeway. We're trying to go to the next spot, but the next spot is all like jammed up. We've been here just waiting. There's like hella cars. There's like hella cars backed up over there. Hella cars just backed up to the back. Been here for a cool minute. He's trying to get off this road. I think he's gonna go straight and then do a whole big ass U-turn just to get to this fucking spot. Cause no way, bro. I think I'm gonna leave early. Yeah. This car's running magnificent. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the clips, the racing one, but holy shit, my car's running pretty good. I missed a couple of shifts, but you know, who doesn't in their life? We're running good so far, we're running good. I'm gonna try to pick up the camera again when we're at the spot because I'm just gonna be here fucking chilling, waiting about 20 minutes and shit. By the time we get there, they're gonna post the other spot that we're supposed to go to. I need to put gas low key in my half a tank. I'm gonna throw on the octane booster and see how we do with that. Fucking insane, dog. I told you guys, we got here. I lucky wanted to put gas right at gas station, but police cops pulled up already. Second spot, we're gonna go. It's in Hollywood Boulevard, so we're gonna pull up over there. I'm gonna put gas, but I don't know where I'm gonna put gas. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the freeway after waiting about 20 fucking minutes just to get on here. I'm gonna put back the GoPro if I get any runs back over there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we didn't make it to the second spot. We made it third spot. We're like on the side of a fucking road. It goes all the way over there and it leads here. What's up, what's up, what's up?
I made like 8 people crash, killed a family.
Honestly, bro, you're the one that, you saw the tunnel?
Yeah.
That's crazy, that was you low key, huh?
Yeah.
No, that's crazy. No, I saw that shit and I was like, dude.
I put my shit in comfort and this shit goes boom, boom.
I know, that's what he was telling me that, Nico was telling me that as soon as you guys pass by, that shit go boom, boom, boom. That shit was crazy. I looked in you a P, third meetup, I still need to put gas. We didn't get any runs here, but the runs we did get were really fun. I'm gonna go pee real quick, be back. Ooh, all that strip club right there about to pull up and shit. So, we're supposed to go to a third spot, but I need to put gas, and he needs to put gas, so we're putting gas right now at the Chevron. About to pump, about to show you how much it fucking wastes. Ooh, 63, 69 for 11 gallons is fucking crazy, dog. Are we heading to the spot, the last spot?
Yeah.
Alright, good to go. Go to the last spot of the night, and then we're done for the night. We're gonna go eat and stuff like that, and then head back home. It's 1:59, 1:55. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we didn't make it to the last spot of the night, so we had to put gas, and then, well, we got caught up. Trying to get over here, it took us like 20, 30 minutes just to get over here, but we got food right now. We got tacos from all the way over there. There's a hibachi place right here that's open till like 2:40, which is fucking insane. I don't know any hibachi places that are open this late, but we got some tacos over there. They're pretty mid, I ain't gonna lie. $12 is crazy. $8 would have been fine. Over here, fucking hibachi was $40 straight chilling. I was not gonna spend that, but we're here chilling, kicking it for a bit before we head off. It is 2:45. 2:45. We'll be getting home like at 5, 6.
El niñito necesita mimis.
Ooh, I know I gotta go to sleep, bro.
You're falling asleep, dog.
You got a bedtime?
I don't.
Hey, wait, I feel like someone's dying.
Dog, you know, I usually go to sleep, mimis, like the old man.
So interview be like, hey bro, thought daughter gay son. All random. You start asking shit like that. Low key, I'm saying I'm not tired, but I think I am tired.
Yeah.
I know.
Gonna hit the second I get in the car.
I think some perk 30s will wake me up.
I'm not tired.
I'm not tired, bro. You're gonna with that burble tune on the BMW is insane.
That's fun.
That's just loud, bro.
I'll be
I've
driving
been in the back, I'm fucking ducking. I'm like, bro, who's shooting at me?
Nah, low key, I was getting sick of it on the way here. I was like,
Yeah,
oh, fucking.
You're like, nah, that's too much. You don't have a switch to turn it off?
Yeah, I can turn it off from my phone. Literally, I just go swipe the slider.
Yeah.
And it fucking turns off.
For real? Yeah, I would just have it off. Like I'd be happy for a couple like 30 minutes and
Like,
then.
it's funny trolling and shit, and then I just get sick of it.
And it's just you in the car, pop, pop, pop. Oh, it's just a loud. On the way up, I heard someone yelled out like a homeless man.
Yeah, he's on the fucking corner, dog. He's like, ah.
Hey, you see that guy?
No, he was like, stop popping it or some shit like that.
The guy on the scooter, he goes, "Is this shit fast?" And I was
You're
like,
like,
nah. And he goes, "Yeah, it fucking doesn't sound like it." And I'm
That's crazy. Oh, the one that had the like he was recording on the
phone. He was
phone.
like, Mustang in the wild, Mustang in the wild.
Oh, that's what he said?
Yeah.
Bro, I didn't hear him. All I heard, like, I just heard some jibber jabber come out of his fucking mouth, bro. I didn't even know that's what I... So, we are now headed home. Done for the night. Really tired. We go home. We're gonna get home like at 5 in the morning for sure, because it's about 3:07 right now, so for sure we're getting home at 5 in the morning. I don't know if I'm ending the video here, but if I do, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This midnight meet. So I didn't get to really capture as much as I wanted to really, but you know, you get what you get, my boy. You get what you get. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I did make one, but just in case I didn't make one, this is gonna be the outro to the video. Hope you guys did enjoy that video. I got home 5 in the morning. It is 10 in the morning. I only slept for like 4 or 5 hours. I don't even know why I woke up so early. I don't even know why I'm up. But I just showered right now because as soon as I got home, I just knocked the fuck out. Like, I got home, changed to like my bed outfit, I guess. I just knocked out. I was really tired. I don't even know how I made it home. I'll be honest with you, I don't know how I made it home. But that's gonna end the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Look out for more coming, and we'll be going out to more runs like that in Mexico. So look out. And yeah, guys, on the next video. Later, guys.